Welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today's class is all about waking up to your best self, the version where you can start your day calm, clear, and lead with purpose. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So come laying down on your mat, bringing your feet flat onto the mat. Having your hands at the side, palms facing up or down, you decide. Just taking a breath here. And just think about how you want your day to go. Allowing yourself to breathe deeply, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly. Breathing is so important. It nourishes our organs, calms our mind, energizes our body, and calms it down too. If you want to learn about deep breathing and how breathing can help you, I've created a resource and the details are in the description. So focusing on your breath here, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly, relaxing your mind and waking up the body ready for your day and thinking about how you want your day to go. Because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So think about how you want your day to go and focus on that. And then if your eyes are closed, gently opening them up, bringing your feet closer to your bottom, placing hands flat on the floor, and we're just going to gently lift our bottom as we breathe in, just vertebrae by vertebrae, waking up our back, our spine, and as you breathe out, gently rolling it down. Again, breathing in and rolling it up. Great way to wake up in the morning, wake up your back, wake up your spine, and breathing out and rolling down. One more time, breathe in, rolling up as far as you can go, and breathing out and rolling your spine down. Then taking your hands wide and then just taking your knees in one direction, head in the other way. Breathing in one way, breathing out the other way. Just taking your time, again, waking up your spine, waking up your body, loosening up your muscles if they're feeling a bit tight. Just waking up gently. No need to rush. Let's do one more here. And then bringing knees to the center, head to the center. Now we're going to roll up. Now if that's too much, just come to the side and lift yourself up. Otherwise, bringing your knees towards your chest and then rolling. Do a couple of rolls here. One more. And then take your legs in front. And you're going to breathe in, stretch up, push your tailbone down. It's going to protect your back and your core. And as you breathe out, you're just going to come down. Now you just come down as far as you can. Taking a deep breath in here. And breathing out. One more. See if you can go a bit further down. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, see if you can go a bit further down. One more deep breath in. And as you breathe out, feel yourself going down, just feeling a gentle stretch on the back of your legs, your back, your neck. Breathe. And then coming up slowly, bend your legs, come to the side, and let's come on all fours. Let's do some hip rotations here. Again, just waking up the body slowly, gently, taking your time, waking up to your best self, breathing deeply. Remember, breathing is so important. Breathing in a way that works for your body really does get everything going. Then placing your toes on the mat, bringing your hands forward, spreading your fingers, and then coming up, and then pedaling your feet, moving from side to side if you like, doing some circles, and the other way. You might even want to do yes and no with your head. Yes and no. One more time. Yes and no. And then bringing one foot forward and rising up like a warrior. Stretching forward, thinking about your day, thinking about how you want your day to go. Stretching up again and then coming down, taking that front foot back. Let's take the other foot front. Let's go up. Breathing in, breathing out and coming down. Taking that foot back and then taking one foot forward, the other foot forward, and coming up vertebrae by vertebrae. Then coming to the side. Again, this is warrior, standing strong. How do you want your day to go? Because what you focus on is where your energy goes. So stretch, think about your day. Then breathe in, bringing your feet in front. Let's go over to the other side, stretch, think about your day, and then bringing your hands up, bringing your feet in front, together, hands to your heart center. Take a breath here, woken up your body, feeling strong in yourself. Ready for your day. Think of your intention of how you want your day to go. And then gently open your eyes. So if you enjoyed this class, do share it with anyone who would appreciate this, who wants to start their day waking up to their best self. And remember, I've got something for breathing that's going to really help you. It's in the description below. And I look forward to practicing with you again. So until next time, Namaste.